Hey everybody, welcome to the Funhouse. Got a short one for you today. Got this clamp, and surprise, surprise, the plastic end broke off. But otherwise, it still works. And this part's actually pretty heavy duty, all things considered. So I'm going to show you a quick idea for a repair that I have. First thing I'm going to do is grind off that roll pin. That's not doing me any good anymore. That's going bye-bye. Then, I got this chunk of bed frame. If you know how to weld, bed frame is like your best friend. Around here, people throw them away. You can get them for free. They come with a mattress when you buy it. Long story short, I'm going to grind off this bolt, get that out of there. And then, I think I'm going to cut this in half. And then, half of this will be my new stopper, or my new edge of my clamp. Maybe I will turn half of it one way and half of it the other way. I don't know yet. Let's see. Alright, while you were gone, things were done and choices were made. I was able to pull that roll pin out just with a pair of side cutters. Plucked it right out of there. And since I only have that little pad back there, it didn't make sense to make a double pad. And there's one half that we are using. I ground it down kind of nice in some spots, and I have to do a little more grinding where I couldn't get to because it was in the vise. But I think what I'm going to do is going to face that way. This one is a little bit offset. It's not quite centered. Or is it? Well, anyway, I'm going to cut a groove in this right there, and this part will go down one side of the metal bar. This part will be on the other side of it. The bar will pass through the groove that I'm cutting, and then I'll weld it in the back. But let me grind that and off camera, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so in a nutshell, here's what I'm going for. I got that notch cut, so that'll fit like so. I can weld it along the edge there, along the backside edge here, back in here I can weld it, and should be stronger than it ever was. I think I'll lean it in ever so slightly. This is exaggerating, of course, so that when the pressure's on, it'll bend to straight instead of bending to beyond straight and shooting off of whatever I'm trying to clamp. So I'll put the square on that, make it perfect, and then I'll lean it in a degree or two when I weld it. grinders and paint make me the welder I ain't. There, as far as anybody knows, I bought it from the store like that. Thanks for joining me. Have a good one.